Welcome to our deep dive into the world of stock market trends and analysis. Today, we're unraveling the intricacies of market movements and revealing how timely insights and data-backed strategies can help you navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. Imagine being able to predict market swings before they happen, or even just feeling confident about your investment decisions. This is the power of understanding stock market trends. In recent days, channels like Meet Kevin, Graham Stephan, and Ricky Gutierrez have shown that videos focusing on real-time market analysis are attracting the highest average views, proving that the audience is hungry for actionable information. This growing trend is not just about numbers, it's about the stories behind the numbers, the shifts, the surprises, and the unexpected turns that define our financial world. Today, we will explore these insights in depth, share some shocking statistics, and even ask you to reflect on your own experiences. Let's start with the basics. Stock market analysis involves monitoring trends, interpreting technical charts, and understanding the broader economic signals that influence market movements. The secret to successful trading is not just about following the crowd, it's about digging deeper into data and extracting the hidden narratives that can forecast future movements. Picture a scenario where a sudden spike in volume signals a potential breakout. This is the kind of insight that can turn a regular day into a profitable opportunity. But why is this topic so engaging? The answer lies in its relevance and timeliness. Every day, markets are influenced by global events, policy changes, and even unexpected crises. These factors create dramatic shifts that are as unpredictable as they are impactful. Think about the shock when major companies report earnings that defy expectations, or when geopolitical events send markets into a tailspin. These moments, though challenging, provide unique opportunities for investors willing to look beyond the surface. Now, let's talk numbers. Data from the past 7 days reveals that videos discussing market trends and technical analysis consistently outperformed others in terms of views and engagement. This is because viewers not only seek information, they crave a narrative that connects complex data with real-world impact. When you see a video that breaks down market trends with clear, engaging visuals, it sparks curiosity and builds trust. What's even more fascinating is the emotional connection this topic can create. Imagine the adrenaline rush of making an investment decision based on real-time analysis, or the relief when your strategy pays off despite volatile market conditions. These aren't just numbers on a screen, they represent hopes, dreams, and the potential for a secure future. We all have that one moment when a piece of advice changes our perspective entirely. Have you ever experienced a sudden realization that shifted your investment strategy? As we delve further into the analysis, consider the dynamic nature of today's market. With advanced tools and real-time data, traders can now predict trends with more accuracy than ever before. This technology has democratized the world of investing, making high-quality analysis accessible to everyone. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, the blend of technology and financial expertise can open up a whole new realm of opportunities. In closing, the world of stock market trends and analysis is as exciting as it is complex. It challenges us to think critically, react swiftly, and never stop learning. The power to decode market behavior lies within your hands, and with every insight, you are one step closer to mastering the art of investment. If you found these insights valuable, please take a moment to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. What trends have you noticed lately? Thank you for joining us on this journey through the highs and lows of the market. Stay tuned for more in-depth analysis and unexpected revelations that can transform your financial strategy. Remember, every trend tells a story, and every story holds the key to your financial success.